what was going down camping? Okay, Mthunzi.
Babukeli.
Yeah.
Camping bekumnanzi plan. Ngiluzile lekungeni.
Yeah.
Luze nje besimililo. Konke bekhona hiking. Hayi lenzaba vele yale yaka ngathi wayesabukela kula ngibuyeli.
Yindaba.
Waseziyelela bodwana ngiyeli.
Nithini igama lenzaba? Niyalikhumbula?
Imakhono.
Nibuye emakhoshe.
Bathi wasiyabuyela vele ngibuyeli.
Uyabonga.
Ngiyabonga vele ngalenzaba leya.
Njengoba bengisasho babukeli ngithi ayika mara stress esikhona. Mara uma ngifika bootcamp ngikhona uvula open up about inkinga tami. I was stress free angengikambe mama.
Yeah.
Meeting new people kungifundisa izinto letiningi ukuthi njengoba bashilo khona lo shila athi sharing and loving, spreading love. Into lebe yendeka le camping wonke umuntu be spread that time. Lo munye umuntu. Lo kungihilile kakhulu with interest tami.
Ngithandzako i-media ne-safety because to safety siba nabantu labadzala bobabe basifundisa tinto basi-advise why safety basitshela about ukuthi kufuna siphathe njani elifini like give up like yeah
Okay, that's good.
Mina ngeke ngikhethe like ngichanza on ngize ngisho like to start to recommend table like i-team iyakhona ukuthi like yende ama-funds to the family le lahlekelwe then le mndeni uyakhona ukuthi nawo apheshe lapho aphesha khona noma ingahlale ingabi ningi and bakhona kubona lapha emndenini ukuthi hayi man lo muntu bekangavuka every day kusena yela kodlala le bekayela into lekhona le uthola emndeni then imedia umnazi ukuthi ushuthe umuntu asmile angafrowni ahlale abring up a smile nje abe right kude esedini la angasa ngashutha umuntu uvela aba grumpy nje noma ngabe uya actor mara ngichaza ngoba u-actor ngesmile.
It's okay, we love the acting. Keep it up.
Then lokunye nekuchaza futhi nge-safety njengoba makufu ngashito ukuthi like we get to like ukuthi sibe nabantu abadzala lapha if I can mention Banda, Mr. Mashaba, Malumthulani, labantu laba madoda amadzala nawo adlulile last khona yalo. They get to tell us while we are in the road. They get to tell us like what must we do, what we must not do. They teach us bantu kumele bahambe like kuyiphi ilane, why kumele bahambe le lane lena.
Anginibingelele babukeli bamakhaya. This is Lawful Walkers podcast. Of course, this is your host Becca Mdlili, podcasting live in Nelspruit. Now namuhla nginilethela the big fool. Ngilethela ke i-team yona party bita nge-team Team Safety Media. Yes, ngisho yona i-youth desk yethu yaka Lawful Workers, bafana bethu baka Lawful Workers. Now we get to know namuhla ukuthi bangibobani bakabani mani babona banibulisa mgwaco banishuta nathi ukuthi lo ngumthunzi lo ngikhaya kanjalo. So today we are getting to know ukuthi bangibobani wena hlala lapho uthi ne. Listen, this is going to be very interesting. Lanza ke mandi wakho ijuice noma coffee because it's Zangu ukubukela sikhathini le podcast kodwa nje wena enda njalo hlala lapho uthi ne sayokulenzela bona
bedini qelele dathi dinabo abathuba abasalanana bedini qelele dathi dinabo abathuba abasalanana daba abasalanana daba abasalanana daba abasalanana daba isama desini pelele dathi dinabo abatuma abasalanana
Okay, babukeli mama emakhaya njengoba sengishito ke ukuthi namuhla nginilandzela i-team lenkulu, li-desk lelikhulu ke la ka Lowveld Workers Bafana the boys. I-media safety week. Bafana bami ke laba labamba ishisa ibanza yakuthola benta konke la ithimini. Docela ke bathi introduce so that next time manje babona benda lokhu nathi ukuthi ya lo ngibani. Eva ke ngoku.
Sanibonani babukeli emakhaya lesithuba ngo-Ashley Phiri ngithanza kubonga le thuba lengitholile ukuthi ngikhone ukushare nani isitori sami view yami ihlelo lelihle
Sanibonani babukeli emakhaya lokukhuluma ngoma-Vincent iqembu le-we.
Yeah.
Sanibonani babukeli igama lami ngumthunzi ngakasiya mina ngipart of media safety week.
Yeah.
Sanibonani babukeli, igama lami ekhaya lethu Sibonga Nkosi. Nami ngipart of media safety team we.
Ayike sentivele ke ngito lokho ke ngeke mina ke ngibabide ngamagama labo wi lapha. Uthi abangu number 1, wi number 2, wi number 3, wi number 4 bokhaya. Yo nabo Ashley yo kahle bomthunzi. Okay, so now I want to find out ukuthi beve kuphi ngeLowveld Workers bayijoina nini. Sizoqala ngala.
Mine Lowveld Workers ngayicala kujoina I think 2018 around the isikhathi se-big walk.
Ul ancestor musweni. Okay.
Ngesikhathi se-big walk bengiku active kangawo ngoba bengisesemncane then waya na next week bangibita lokujala bathi hayi biwa ngala eWhite River bangifaka ke poster vele ngigongomela ukuthi ngiye vele ngijabulile ngiqala kuba poster wamela ukuthi ngiye kwaya ngakhula la kuwalk saya ku-big walk ePitori to la eNelspruit. Then athola ne-award yangeswalker I think it was 2019.
Yeah
nje
le wi ihlangene le. Yeah. Next.
Mina iLowveld Workers ngaqala kuyijoina 2023. Ngajoiniswa
We are youngest worker of the year.
yes my brother.
Yes. All
Yes.
right.
Yeah, ngaqala kujoina lapho kwaya nami bengingafuni
Okay.
beka ngipush.
All right.
Yeah.
Finally
But-
winning.
Yeah, uwinile.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sanibonani babukeli
Yebo.
ngibingelele wesithu mina ngalethwa la kuwalk ngalethwa ngipapa ngahlala ngivusa ekuseni nathi ndoda samsoka ngivila pipeline vele kuvuka vele bekunzima kimi ngiletha ngaqala 2020 nje 2021 around there.
Okay. Kaya?
Babukeli, njengoba sengishilo igama lami ekhaya lethu. Mina eWalk ngaqala around 2023 2024
Yeah.
ngenxa yamama.
Okay. All right.
Nami kwendekile ngithola eWalk mara i-experience yami ngifika la bekuthi ngiyela ukubona abantu abahlukile.
Yeah.
New people. Yeah, bekungiloyo.
All right. So I believe njengoba ke labo ancestor to nina lenijoin emuva kwel ancestor nisasela even today I take it you are all happy ngeLowveld Workers.
Yes.
And I believe nonke benise camping.
Yes.
That's tell me about the camp. What was going on at camping? Angishare le story se camp. Ngongini. I camp ngini. I wingini. Ngitsheleni. Who wanna start nge camp ukuthi what was going down at camping? Okay, Mthunzi. Phezu kwakhe.
Babukeli
Yeah.
camping bekumnanzi plan ngiluzile lengingeni
Yeah.
luze nje besimililo konke bekhona hiking hayi lenzaba vele yale ngathi wayesabukela kula ngibuyeli
Yini igama?
wayeziyelela bodwana ngiyeli
Nithini igama lensaba? Niyalikhumbula?
Makhona.
Nibuye emakhoshe.
ngathi wasiyabuyela vele ngibuyeli
Uyabonga.
ngiyabonga vele ngalenzaba leya uthi uyayibuka kahle iyaphela
Mara
Wena uyaphela.
sona
Yeah,
qhubeka.
yaphela mara ayipheli ngoba uthi uyibuka le tulu uthi okay sekutoba flat njenga kangizaphu tisabheke tulu
Yeah.
yabonga babukeli
Yeah.
So like camping guys bekumnanzi kakhulu. Angifuni ukucamba amanga like alendlela bekumnanzi ngakhona bese ngasafuna ukumuka. Muka ngasafuna ukumuka.
Yeah.
Nanyalo basithembisile bathi
Stoba
Okay.
Kumele
Yeah,
basigcine
store.
Kumele basigcine isithembiso.
Hlangane nebani lesingabati. Nalabanye lebezokha nabo la besingabakhulumisi like but lesikhulumisi muke sonke sesatana kahle.
Yeah.
Yeah, bekumnanzi like
Okay. Ukhona lo munye ofuna ku-add? Okay.
babukeli. Hey, camp.
Yeah.
Camp.
Yeah.
Like ngabhala ibhuku ngecamp.
Yes.
Noma bekumalaka lamancane mara ibhuku lingaphuma so
Yeah.
camp guys like bemnanzi isifundise izinto letiningi, sharing, caring, loving, meeting new people, like opening up to people and not boxing things in like uthi wena mawunethinking ekhaya utivalele ngaphakathi lokho kurong you are internally damaging yourself yabona. And lokunye lesikufunzile ku camp sorry umndeni it's not the one like loyishiye endlini ekhaya no umndeni like can be anyone yabona as long wena ukhona kuvula space enhlitweni yakho ukhona kubafaka uba respecta ubathanza and lokunye futhi like to add lo felt workers like angathi usengathi yini kude mangicabanga ukuthi ukhona umndeni ongaka emhlabeni
Yeah.
like i-country
Yeah.
i-province i-family angathi
Sithi
ukuthi
umphakathi.
umphakathi ihlangene nje yabona and like ningi nje yabona yeah
And siyabonga. Khaya?
Ukeli. Angakuthi a point lami litoba valid because tonke letinto lengathi bengifuna ukudisha. Yathi shilo.
Lito ba valid ungawari.
Njengoba bengisasho babukele ngithi ayika mara stress esikhona. Mara uma ngifika bootcamp ngikhona kuvula open up about thinking atami. I was stress free angengicambe man.
Yeah.
Meeting new people kungifundisa izinto letiningi ukuthi njengoba bashilo khona lo shila athi sharing and loving spreading love into lebe yendeka lekhampi wonke umuntu be spread that time lo munye umuntu beloko ungihilile kakhulu ukuthi interest yami yeah
Good camp. No, sentivele ke i-team we enjoy kakhulu i-bootcamp and I'm glad because they've learned a lot of things. Guys, you must know ukuthi bantwana bayaba nato stress vele and it's very important ukuthi bahlanganyele and then bakhona ukuthi bashare inkinga zabo. In that way bayakhona ukuthi kusidakala sigwema inike lokho sigwema ukuthi singatholi nini sengibuye ekhaya sithola umfana so utihengile emva kwendlu. Why? Because akahlanganyeli nalabanye and akakhulumi. So siyabonga kakhulu kulo field workers ukuthi yende e-bootcamp. I can see ukuthi iwenzile umsebenzi la. Iwenzile umsebenzi. So yini into le niyithanze kakhulu that was outstanding for you kulo field work kule bootcamp yini? Okay. Ne? Oh, ngilok drive imoto
lokuthi wash
my point lakho
lokwasha
libela
imoto vele sikunjoyile
Oh, bathi ke bona ifani kabeva. Lokho kube outstanding for bona. Ku driver imoto number 1. Nekutiwasha.
Ngiyabonga ukuthi basithembe basinike
imoto tabo
sithembekile.
Oh, all right.
banikade betimoto
Baqhubeke njalo banike imoto ne.
beke njalo.
Bangagcini ku bootcamp.
ndihlale nepetrol
Mr. Mashaba unemsebenzi lomkhulu la njengoba ngiyeva ukuthi bathu bathembisile lenye hayi angikubona uphunyuka ke ule bayokuhlala enzangeni kodwa wami so angithembe uyalungisa la khona. Okay bomhlobo, let's talk about i-law field workers ke manje solo sikhona khona ku bootcamp yeni but asiphumeni kancane sishifte kancane asingene kumatafula we-law field workers. We have i-bereavement lapho uma ngabe kushoniwe sikhipha whether kushonelwe limember noma kushonelwe member siyakhipha. We also have safety ngilaba sisita kula emgwaqweni. I'm sure niyayadi ngoba nani niyiphathi. Media nikhona niyiphathi. Yeah, wholesomeness, la sidla healthy khona and exercise. Now tell me, ngiliphi letafula leli outstanding for nina to hambe ngeline ukuthi leli ngiyalithanda kakhulu. Why? Sicala kuphi? Ubani ucalayo? Okay, asicale ngala kumthunzi ke for a change.
Ngithanda i-safety media cause siyakhona no-interact nebantu sikhulume nabo abo basibude kuthombe sithola kuphi yabo. You actually get to know people kahle kahle.
Okay.
Ne-safety kahle niyatana kahle ukuthi makisibani ngicela uhambele ngalana yabo kahle.
Yeah.
Hloniphi.
Okay, that's good.
Nami ngiyithandzako i-media ne-safety because through safety siba nebantu labadzala bobabe basifundisa tinto basi-advise why safety basitshela about ukuthi kufuna siphathe njani elifini like not give up like yeah
Okay, that's good.
Hey mina ngeke ngikhethe like ngiyathanza ngize ngisho like to start to recommend table like i-team iyakhona ukuthi like yende ama-funds to the family le lahlekelwe then le mndeni uyakhona ukuthi nawo apheshe lapho aphesha khona noma ingahlale ingabi ningi and bakhona kubona lapha emndenini ukuthi hayi man lo muntu bekangavuka every day kusena yela kodlala le bekayela into lekhona le uthola emndeni then imedia umnazi ukuthi ushuthe umuntu asmile angafrowni ahlale abring up a smile nje abe right kude esedini lami angikasa ngashutha umuntu uvelo aba grumpy nje noma ngabe uya actor mara ngichaza ngoba uactor ngesmile.
It's okay, we love the acting.
Keep it up. Yabona then lokunye nekuchaza ku futhi nge safety njengoba makufi ngashito ukuthi like we get to like ukuthi sibe nabantu abadzala lapha if I can mention Banda, Mr. Mashaba, Malumthulani, labantu laba madodza amadzala nawo adlulile last khona yalo. They get to tell us while we are in the road. They get to tell us like ukuthi what must we do, what we must not do. They teach us ukuthi bantu kumele bahambe like kuyiphi ilane, why kumele bahambe le lane lena, like tinto letinjalo. Then wholesomeness laphana like we get to like ukuthi sifundziswe yabona ngikudla kahle, being healthy yabona ngiyo nje lengithandayo. That's why ngingakhethi like specific
happy nje ngawo onke wena. All right, Khaya, do you want to add? So kuhlanganise wonke lo mfana wakho ibhoza yakho angithi after all it's a we
plus ancestor
plus ancestor hayi phela ibalance leke le team no ngiyaniva ke dithandwa dam. So now let's talk about giving. You know musukuthi si-adopt elikhaya White River libantwana whereby once in a year kanye noma kawu-2 and of course masiyenda official angithi even noma singayendanga officially la egroupini uma ngabe nginako ngiyakhona driver ngiyekhona ngiyopha. But how do you feel about le nkonzo lesibanayo kulo field okazi ukuthi sithola i-dedicator i-walk dedicatele kula bantwana bethu le ukuthi sikhiphe bese sihambe siyobapha nina ezibani labasha how do you feel about that? Kokuqala nje niyakhipha.
Last time ngiyakhipha namthunzi akhipha imbuko.
Oh, I'm proud of you. Okay.
Like into lengijabulisako ukuthi njengoba sikhona kwenda mawo so dedicated like for bona special like enhlitweni yabo like babona ukuthi asikho sodwa. We are not alone. Bakhona abantu labasithandzako, labasisekelako, labasupportako because you're not only like giving them food but you're giving them stationery, like sanitary things. Like that's the thing ngithandzako.
Khona lofuna ku-add? Ancestors khulumile we. Mthunzi utoyenda iwike wena ye long walk. I-long walk. Uthini nge long walk? How do you find i-long walk? Because remember long walk sizama ku-United the African countries, right? Sifunze ngebantu bangaphandle abafunze ngathi sifunze ukuthandzana ukuthi uma bavakashile lana sibaphe lithando singaba Kate. How was your experience ku-long walk? Do you feel lokhu besikwenda ubonile ebantwini ukuthi ba-responda kahle ukuthi yeah we are going somewhere or what?
Kuloko engathanda ukukhuluma ngabo bekumnandi. Bekumnandi, especially the walking nani bantu bakhala vele nani. Mara levele engivize ebuhlungu cobo. Le gicile. Uyabuka umntana wemuntu uyagicile. Mara stathi ngoba vele Tanzana long walk ngifundise ukuthanda abantu ukunatane kahle kethweni utshaza njengoba amashawa bekashika tsinye na kunalowo mati igama wonke laba bafuna ubathi magama how come mina ngiyabathi bonke amagama asho njalo bakumashawa so like ngifundise vele ukuthi ngithandzane nebantu yabo natane
okay ukhona lofuna ku-eda ngiyathi ukuthi nilabanye benisengikayi but do you want to add something lapho? Okay, I have a question for you guys. Long walk ne, we need a whole lot of things. Siyabuka phela bese siyalala. Nicabanga ukuthi singenda njani ukuthi singaditholi sispenda imali learning while siba nalama walks wethu? Do you think maybe we can get tents? Nicabanga singenda? Ne? Sisave njani?
Like as a team, kube angathi kumbe khona yini account team like la ukuthi ngiyafaka khona 100 rand ngenyanga kumbe yabo
ukuthi iprepare
ngathi 100 donke lo muntu imali ngene kakhulu phela umndini
sibani
lo mndini
okay
sibobonke lawo tofa 100 rand
all right ngiyakufila khona abantu ogijima ku 5000 all right
mina into lengayisho ukuthi okay akusibo bonke laba bangayivuma le idea mara mina ngibona ngathi idea le right so like i-team ingazama kuthenga yabona amathende lawa tinkonzo noma angaba yi-2 leyi-1 lebafat nebantwana leli-1 nemadoda
okay
just for ukuthi noma sihambise like maybe lamalanga I think ilwanisi it's
sorry. Yebo.
I think i-walk, long walk, ivama banga days. I think like 10 or 11 somewhere up. God.
Okay, we're gonna excuse Mthunzi ne. Uyafunakala since siku-walk. Yeah. Yes. Iwito chubeka.
Okay. Mine into lengicabanga yabona. Ngicabanga ukuthi like angiboni ukuthi lo mbono wami bangawuthanza bonke mara it's the best way for me ukuthi i-team ingasave imali yabona. I think ukuthi like i-team ingazama clients imali ithenge like 2 mathenda bomathenda abasebenzela tinkonzo ithenge 2 yawo mayithenga 2 yawo leli 1 labomake nebantwana lelinye lebadotsa nathi bomajida then say for like lamalanga la khona yabona khambe then sengikhani masekhambe malanga ngayiwe bo guest house just for ukuthi like nasi stifile yabona singasoli sihlele emahlathini yabona la ngathi khona ukuthi inzaba yokugeza itolungiswa njani yabona mara leyo inzaba yokulala ubona ngathi ngiyo le like lengasave imali yabona
khona lofuna ku-eda lokunye ni-covered
yes
ayinzawo yekulala wena but just ede ingendakala ngithi siyenda tigezelo yazi bantu abamnyama siyenda tigezelo sithenga amabhavu ngani sobe sinethe inkunto ethu sibasamlile umandla woma uyabona nje kwethu ukuthi sibe enzaweni la stokhona kuthola amandi khona okwenda everything sorted babamashaba nababantwana bakho labayika ngiphetha ne-ID mathende asibhaleni phasi bantwana bami ngiyafuna sichubeke sibutane lamaningi ngicabanga ukuthi nina sizoba na part 2 yeah because nisemsebenzini and niyafuneka so now we're gonna pause at least bayanathi manje they know about you guys we're gonna do a part 2 your podcast and kodwa mina right now ne team we don't promise commit
make sure you like share subscribe bye
lapho nje Hashtag Mpumalanga's finest walking team. This is Lawful Walkers Podcast. And of course, this is your host, Rebecca Mdlili, signing out. Now, we'll be seeing you soon this coming Saturday. Kanyamazane at Mugoynya. Sisasego yego lenfo yegu celebrate abo mama betu abisufazane betu. So there's a whole new women's walk. The theme is a bounce back. Now, you know what to do when we say bounce back. Of course, the dress code is black and white. Now, the aerobics are starting at 6 o'clock. Now, right after that, the walk is officially starting. Ungashiyeki, don't be late. Asihlangane khona eMgwenya. Mina nawe sibonane kuseni sibambe isikhathi. Bye.